folks, my name is Rich.White with Guaranty. I'm going to give you my direct cell phone. It's 541-521-8914. Today I'm going to be showing you a real nice pre-owned 2014 Rockwood 8289 fifth wheel. This is a great coach. It's actually very lightweight, weighs less than 8,100 pounds, good for a half-ton towable truck, and yet very roomy. Let's go take a look inside at some of the features. This is a brand new trade. It's actually very clean for a 2014. You walk in, it's got the island. It's got a nice little coffee bar. It's got a huge amount of storage in this coach. Drawers all the way down here. Cabinet here. Microwave. You've got your 3-burner gas stove with the oven. The sink is in the island. All solid counter surfaces. Nice 8 cubic foot fridge, freezer. It's got a sleeper sofa here, 2 recliners in the back, table and chairs right here, 4 chairs. It's got the electric fireplace heater, nice TV. It's a great coach. Of course, it's got ducted air conditioning. We're going to step up into the front here, your control panels right here. It's got the nice porcelain toilet, nice walk-in shower, vanity with linen storage, queen walk-around bed, and it does have an extra slide up front here with plenty of wardrobe space in it. Shirt closet over here, storage up above. It does have the TV mount. This is a great coach and a very lightweight coach, so you can tow with a half-ton truck. Let's go ahead and take a look at the exterior real quick. Want you to notice this coach has 2 awnings. It's got an electric awning here, an electric awning here, and they're metal encased awnings. You don't find that very often. It's got alloy wheels. It's got the frameless windows. It's a very nice coach and in very nice shape for a 2014. You got storage that opens up from the other side, much bigger on the other side. It's got the big super slide here. It's got a ladder to access your roof, the big back window. Folks, this is a great coach and a great value. Please contact me, Rich.White, at 541-521-8914 if you have any questions. We've got this and quite a few other used coaches in our inventory right now. Please give us a call. Thank you.